Imagine a future where cities rise from the ocean floor. This isn't science fiction, it's the future of construction, driven by incredible new technology. We're talking about AI-powered concrete that builds itself underwater. For centuries, we built on land. The ocean remained largely untouched. But now, we are on the verge of a new era. An era of underwater habitats, research stations, and even cities, and the key AI-driven underwater concrete.
What is self-assembling concrete? It's a revolutionary material that has the potential to change the way we build underwater structures. Think of it like magic, but with science. This concrete can autonomously form structures without any human intervention.
This special concrete contains materials that naturally attract each other underwater. These materials are designed to bond and create solid structures. When placed in the ocean, they automatically assemble into pre-programmed shapes. This process is both efficient and fascinating to watch.
Imagine dropping Lego blocks into a fish tank. Now, picture those blocks moving on their own to form a complex structure and watching them assemble into a castle. This is similar to how self-assembling concrete works, but on a much larger and more intricate scale. That's the basic idea, but on a much more complex and microscopic scale. The materials interact at a molecular level to create strong, durable structures. This eliminates the need for human divers and heavy machinery in dangerous underwater environments. It makes underwater construction safer, faster, and more cost-effective. But how do these materials know what to build? How do they transform from raw elements into intricate underwater structures? That's where AI comes in. It serves as the brain behind the operation, guiding every step of the construction process.
Artificial intelligence acts as the architect, designing the blueprint and programming the concrete. It ensures that every piece fits perfectly and every joint is secure.
AI analyzes countless factors: water currents, pressure, marine life. It takes into account the unique challenges of the underwater environment. It then uses this data to create the most efficient and safe underwater structures. The AI's calculations ensure that the buildings can withstand the harsh conditions of the deep sea. Imagine telling AI to build a research station. It would not only design the structure but also optimize it for functionality and sustainability.